Alright, Ivana, what are you making today?
Today, we tried fasting today. It's not over yet. We got probably 2 more hours before we break the fast. And I am gonna cook 3 different dishes for our meal tonight. And they all involve dates. Kurma.
Which is traditionally something that happens
It's a dried
during
fruit.
Ramadan.
Dried fruit popular during the Ramadan.
You'll have to pardon me for being half asleep. Haven't had a sip of water since 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah, I'm thirsty and it's hot and I'm hungry. So let's get
But look at
cooking.
all the work you've done, Ivana. Look at all the ingredients here.
First, this is what we're gonna use. We're gonna make date spring rolls with cream cheese and beef. We're gonna fry this first. Date, green chili, and then we're gonna wrap it in the spring roll wraps.
Wow, very interesting. Sounds good.
And then second dish, we're gonna make the curry squash dates. So again, we got onion and the pumpkin, date, chili, garlic, and this one, the basil leaf. And we're gonna cook it with coconut milk, some turmeric, and curry powder. And then the last dish, where it's a chicken dish, we're gonna make a kind of like a sweet and sour chicken with dates. Dates, green chili, potato, ginger, garlic, chili, onion, tomato puree, chili sauce, and chicken. And lemongrass.
Ivana, you prepared all this and you haven't eaten anything since 5 o'clock in the morning.
No.
On an empty stomach with no water.
So I'm hungry, and it's gonna be a challenge not to be able to taste the food, because I usually taste
Oh, good point. You can't even put one piece
it.
in your
Yeah,
mouth.
so if it's too salty,
We'll never know until it's on the plate.
sorry.
Okay, there you have it.
So first things first, we're gonna make the date spring roll with minced beef. So we're gonna cook the minced beef first with garlic and onion. So once the beef is cooked, we're gonna mix it into the bowl where we had already the chopped green chilies and dates.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness. I'm so hungry. Oh, that looks so good. It's cheese and meat and green chilies. Oh, just give me a spoon and I'll eat the whole bowl.
I know, you can just eat it like that.
Oh, it's so good.
So close, yet so far.
So close and yet so far. Absolutely right.
Okay, so let's make the roll.
Looks pretty good. This is the first attempt. Ivana says, don't film the first attempt. Okay, fair enough. You put a little bit in there. You fold it like a wallet or something.
Yep, make a pocket out of it.
Yeah, a wallet? What am I talking about? A pocket.
Fold one side and the other side. And ta-da!
Nice.
You can make a bigger one. So once we make the rolls like these, it looks so cute, we're gonna fry it.
Wow, if that doesn't make you hungry, you probably had lunch.
Okay, so the spring rolls, they're ready. When they turn golden brown, just like these. Oh, they look so yummy. And now we're gonna prepare the chicken. So first, we have to fry the chicken first separately from the rest of the dish. Mix it with some salt. Once the chicken is cooked, we're gonna set it aside. We're gonna put the garlic, chili, onion. That's good, right?
Looks really good. We're going to reintroduce chicken to the ecosystem. Wow, that satisfies me in all levels. It smells good, it looks good, it sounds good. I'm sure it tastes good. I should put my hand in there, see if it feels good.
So this is ready. Let's set it aside for a bit and let's move on to our curry squash. First thing first, let's saute the chili, garlic, and onion and the bay leaf. And then we'll add the coconut milk. Once we add the coconut milk, let's add the squash.
Oh, starting to look really good, Ivana. Oh, starting to change color. Man, the smells in here are so good. Both of them back and forth. So good. What a chef you are, Ivana. Squash, chicken, and spring rolls, all with dates. This one here looks like it'll be my favorite. Oh, that one looks so good. On top of the rice. Oh, Yvonne, I'm so hungry. Wow. Okay, let's eat. Time to break the fast. Time to break the fast. Although I already snacked a bunch. I had a bunch of dates, like 7 or something. And
So this is our
and some spring rolls.
only meal of the day, other than one that we ate at 5 a.m.
Which was like
For
2 eggs
breakfast.
and a piece of bread. So really the only meal of the day. I bet you Ramadan is a good way to lose weight.
Yeah,
I would say it is.
you're right. Oh,
Alright, let's
by
go.
the way, I found this too.
What's that?
Date milk.
Date milk?
Yeah, from the grocery store. So let's try it.
It's brown.
It's brown.
Interesting.
It's date.
Okay, the squash one is nice. The squash one is quite nice. This one
Nice.
here looks like it'll be my favorite one.
Chicken. Very good.
I just forgot. I was just eating rice with a fork, which is unforgivable. Sorry about that, all the subscribers. Rice with a spoon. Date milk is really sweet.
It's kind of weird. Isn't it?
It's kind of weird. Let's see if it's added sugar or if it's just sugar from dates. Not the worst thing I ever had in my life. But, oh yeah, no, it's fake. It's date flavored milk. Anyway, not bad. I'll drink it. Not my favorite. This here, the spring roll, is what's the talk of the town. You got cream cheese inside and your dates. It's so good. Okay,
Crunchy.
so the spring rolls are amazing. 5 star. The chicken one is quite nice. The chicken one could be more spicy. I could go for a little bit more chili.
All right.
But the dates are nice. The dates seem to be tying them together. Is that your artistic inspiration as a chef? The dates were tying the meal together?
Oh.
Even date milk? Wow.
Did you taste the dates on each dish?
No, I can't really taste the dates in the squash one.
This is the dates, something like this brown.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're thin. Let me see that.
Yeah, they're kind of melted into the sauce.
That's the skin of the date. Where's the actual date?
Right here.
Oh, it kind of dissolves almost.
Yeah, into the sauce.
Okay, interesting. Let me find one.
So it's kind of, you're tasting the date sauce.
Oh, I didn't really notice that. Let me try. That's good. This is squash to me. This is one of squash and dates, but I like that. Very good. Wow. 5 stars, Ivana. I think being so hungry makes the food taste better. These spring rolls are the talk of the town. And to be fair, being from North America, I've been missing cheese. Something about Asia, not a lot of cheese. More coconut milk, less cheese.
They're expensive here.
Expensive here. In North America, we put cheese in everything. Really. Just dates and cream cheese. That's 5 stars. Really oozing out. Ooh. Ooh,
yeah. So pretty good meal overall.
Overall,
to
great
break your
meal.
fast.
Overall, great meal. 5 stars. Favorite part of the meal?
Favorite part?
Yeah.
Spring rolls.
Spring rolls are the best. Spring rolls are the best. And the chicken?
Yeah, chicken is nice too.
Chicken is nice. It tastes Middle Eastern. I know it's a bad analysis, but it tastes like something from Saudi Arabia or something.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I think dates are very Middle Eastern in terms of cooking. Maybe where they grow too, right? I think so. And the squash one, certainly not bad, but that's the least favorite. But all good. And there you have it.
I can talk now. Just mouthful of food.
Okay. I feel full already. What the heck is wrong with me? That's life. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. So we've had a blast in Malaysia so far. We figured we would do the Ramadan challenge. If you want to see our Ramadan challenge, fasting for 1 day video, it'll be linked at the end or maybe up here somewhere. There you have it.
Happy Ramadan.
Happy
Selamat
Ramadan, everybody.
berbuka.
Enjoy your dates. Don't forget. Oh, what's the first meal called? Sabu? Sahur? I forgot the word. Darn it. I was going to say don't forget to eat at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Very important. But there you have it.
All right. See you in the next video.